solid background. Select text tool and type text box. Change the font weight to bold. Align the text to the middle of the composition. Now select a rectangle tool. Draw a rectangle according to text size. Put the shape layer below the text layer. Select both the text and rectangle and click on the middle align icon. Move the anchor point to the top middle of the shape. Now go inside the rectangle properties. Increase the roundness accordingly. I am keeping it around 33. Now add a stroke, but you can avoid it if you want. Now the most important part. Click S on the keyboard to open a scale property. Set a keyframe at the starting point and take another keyframe after 5 frames. Break the chain of the scale property and change the vertical value to 0. Here you can see the animation. Now click F9 to easy ease. I am decreasing the roundness value a little bit. Turn on motion blur of both the text and the shape layer. Now you can see only the text is animating. To bring back the shape layer, just duplicate the shape layer and turn on the shape layer eye. Here it is. Finally, animate the text little bit, then it looks better. Here is the final shot.